In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple and useful tricks about threads for Instagram. So threads, it's getting popular. Everyone is using this, and I think you're going to love these 5 tricks. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, trick number 1. So on your Instagram account right now, you create account on threads using your Instagram, right? So on your Instagram account, you see this badge or this number. This is your number, the number of user you were on thread when you joined. So, but if you want to remove this, it's really simple. Just tap on this and then look at the bottom. You can view your thread profile, or you can also hide the badge. So if you want to hide it, you just kind of click on hide, and then that number will be, or that badge will be gone. All right. Trick number 2, how do you switch account? So right now, hopefully they will change this in future, but right now, so here's, I'm signed into one of my thread accounts. If I want to switch, I'll have to log out. So I'm logging out right now, and then you gotta go back to the thread icon, or threads main page, and at the bottom look at the switch account. So click on switch account, and now here you're gonna see all the accounts that you're signed into Instagram on this device. And now if I want to switch, I'll just click here on my name, and now it's gonna switch my accounts on threads. There you go. Look at this. So I'm in a different account. So right now you have to log out and then switch it. Hopefully they won't. We can, just like on Instagram, we can switch without logging out. Hopefully they will bring that feature in future really soon. All right, trick number 3, and this is probably I think you're gonna love this. The stopping of the notifications, because they're buzzing sound. A lot of people are active on threads. There's a lot of notifications. So how do you turn those off? It's actually really simple. You're gonna click here on the 2 bars and then go inside notifications, and then you can pause these all right here, and then it's gonna give you the time depending on 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. So you could do that. Or what I did was, because I was getting buzzed, so many notifications, so click on these options, and then you can turn these notifications for new followers off, accepted follow request, account suggestions. So you can go through these, and also thread and reply. So you see how I have off, almost everything off here. So go through these 2 and kind of clean it up and make sure you turn off all the notifications that you don't want to get or don't like. All right, number 4, and this is really important. Right now, if you have threads account, there's no way to delete your account without deleting the Instagram. They're going to change that hopefully in the future, but for now, if you want to delete your account, there are a couple of options. The first one is you go inside here, and then you're going to see account, go inside account, and now you can deactivate your profile. And what this is going to do, you can see this at the bottom. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile, threads, replies, likes will be hidden until you reactivate. So that's one option. You can do that. The second option is, let me go back. Click on this globe icon, and then private profile, so you can turn this on. So this is gonna make your profile private. So those are 2 options you have right now. You can also obviously delete, if you want to delete any of your threads or tweets, you can do that. But for now, your Instagram account and your thread account, they're kind of connected. So to delete one, you have to, the other one will be deleted. So for now, use those 2 workarounds. All right, number 5, this is kind of fun, but if you want to create, so let's say you're creating a thread on threads. Now watch what happens. You can actually, just like on Twitter threads, you can create multiple posts or multiple threads. So watch, I'm going to press enter 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and look. So before posting, you can create, so before I hit post, you can create multiple threads by just hitting return key 3 times on your phone. So really simple. If you like creating content and you want to create multiple threads with the same idea, you can do that. Any questions about threads or any of the functionality about this, what to post, what not to post, anything related to threads, let me know. Let me know how you're liking this app so far. And before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.